Well, Tate, we got an absolutely beautiful day here. This is the dream day to try new things.
Yeah. Well, what is this monstrosity?
This is the Twin 18. And you're a resident test pilot. I figure who better to get this double EDF glued together monstrosity up in the air. No wind, dead calm, beautiful day. You can't ask for better conditions.
So it's an F-36.
We can call it a F-36, sure.
Okay, it's an F-36. We're gonna see what happens with this thing. What's your prediction?
I think it'll fly well.
Okay.
I think we're gonna have not as much roll as we want. We've got some great fans out there who have already said, hey, you know what? Let's just shift up the rudders on the exterior to be additional control surface, aileron, and then we'll just use this as elevator. We'll get there eventually. You gotta tear the planes apart, but I think she's gonna fly great. Dual EDF, look at this. I mean, it's 4-wheel drive.
It's an all-terrain F-18.
If you bank this over on a turn, if you wingtip it on the runway at the end to coming around, you've done something dreadfully wrong. This thing should not tip.
Well, let me get this straight. This is our first time out at our nice clean field.
Yep.
With grass.
Yeah, there's green.
So we're not dealing with mountains and rocks.
No desert.
And this is the day you want us to try the all-terrain F-36. Let's make this happen. Let's go.
Good luck.
I'm gonna need it. I said it's actually not as bad as I thought.
We could still fly.
But there was no aileron control.
It did part of the work for us. Look, we just have to tack glue on the end and we're good.
Oh yeah.
So
We're good.
the hole we dug for the servo leads here weakened the plane wing up enough that it tore about where the carbon spars are connecting in.
Oh, this is a piece of cake to fix.
The pilot decided to roll down the windshield.
There's a battery out here. Isn't it? Oh no, there's not. Never mind.
No.
We're good.
Okay, so
let's go patch her.
Minor damage, but we might get another attempt today. We'll see. If not, we'll try again.
What do you think of that? Do you think it had enough power?
No.
That what did it?
No, that's not what did it. The control surfaces were just... We've been seeing the elevator act wonky up to this point. I think that's what did it. The elevator wasn't reliable on it. I think what we need to do is we need to cut out that center elevator plane thing, whatever we want to call it. Lock that in a straight position and go with just the exterior elevator. See how that does for us.
All right. Well, hey, I'm all right with hacking and slashing. Let's see if it'll go up again.
Let's see what the condition is. Come on.
Oh, the nose cone. Yeah, absolutely. All right. Well, that's not too bad looking. Oh, look, your elevator's work now.
That's what she needed. Let's go.
All right. Yeah, she doesn't look in too bad a shape.
She doesn't?
Looks like we, what? Oh.
Yeah, we'll
Did we snap her fuselage in half?
I don't know. Let's bring her up to the road.
All right.
Close now.
I've seen worse.
I got better.
I mean, it's only sort of bent. Oh, both the noses are bent inward.
Hey, perfect. Is it symmetrical? You might get it to work.
There you go, Tate.
Just take her off now, you'll be fine.
That's what I'm thinking.
Blow me up.
Oh,
Wait a second. He's flying.
Wait, what? What?
Why is she flying? This is fantastic. Well, you've proved your point.
Oh no!
Not to the river.
In the river!
Tate, you sound damp. Oh no. Oh, that poor plane. Poor Tate. Well, this is what we call commitment, folks.
Is it dry? No, it doesn't sound
It's
good.
That's not me.
no, it's not. This is what we like to refer to as moist.
So hold on, Zach. Scoot back here. So, Tate, I can't help but notice you're a little damp.
I'm not damp, I'm moist. And hey. She
Like
lost a
when
nose
someone pulls
cone.
their shoe off and then just drains everything out.
Yeah, she lost a nose cone in there again.
Only half of one.
You know, I
yeah.
glued those on, too.
Here, Zach, hold this.
Yes, sir. Yeah, there you go, just like that.
Well,
Hey, that's the hobby, folks.
yeah, there's commitment to the hobby. That's what it looks like right there.
You know, Jared, we had the exact same problem with this one that we had with your twin storch. She's just underpowered. Couple that with I was having to compensate with a lot of left aileron, just flying her around. So I switched over to my high rates, at which point it just didn't control well. But, you know, honestly, it was more successful than I expected.
Well, we'll have to put some Band-Aids on it and some force cells in there and see what happens.
Maybe a hair dryer.
Well, let's dry her out first, shall we?
All right,
Anyway.
all right, priorities.
You know, that's what happens when you try something crazy. And it's always worth it. Keep flying.